Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm that Spider Guy here. I'm going to be doing another rehousing today, but before I do, I just want to thank each and every one of you that continue to support me, all my subscribers. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and all my channel members. Without you guys, I couldn't do half the things I do, so thank you for that. Right, next video I'm going to do, as you can see, I will put this down so you can see. I normally forget, but as you can see, we've got another rehousing to do. So I'm going to be rehousing one of my Pamphobeteus. So I'm going to put that pretty far down. Some nice substrate up there. I am going to put more substrate in, so before you say it's not enough in there, that is just to get it started around the hide. So there's some more. That's that. Now I am going to put a wee bit more in. Yeah, put more in. So that good. Right, let's see if I can adjust this camera angle a bit so you guys can get a better look at what I'm doing. Not brilliant, but better than what it was. Right, as you can see, I put plenty of substrate in there. That'll be nice for her. Well, I say her, I don't know if it's a male or a female. You know, that should be good for her. Well, I'm going to put some moss in, because I do like to give these a spray once a week, and with the moss it'll just help the humidity a bit. So I'll just get some bits of moss and start breaking it up. Put in the sides of the hide. I love the smell of this moss. Piece of the outdoors into your own home. Lovely. Now this is some really awesome moss. If you want any of this, go to Leah, Unusual Pets, check her out. And who supplies it, along with countless other stuff, leaf litter, back dollops, you know. Yeah, as Sandra said, guana, back guana, but I'll just call it back dollops, because I like to be awkward. So that's that done. Now, so that's how it's looking so far, guys. I'll just lift that up so you can have a look. does look rather nice with the moss in. But yeah, this spider's been in this tub for a while now. So, you know, it's time for him, her, whatever, to come out. I'm going to give the moss a little spray. There we go, that'll do. Try and keep it green as long as possible. Right, now to move the spider. Now, like I say, this spider is in here, in one of these tubs. So it's time for her to move out a bit. So if I just adjust that to there, hopefully you might be able to get to see her. Now I know she's pretty small for in here, but at the rate these grow, it is nice to give them something to eat.
What's that one? The vespertinus.
Yeah. So yeah, you know how I love my little panthers. And this little vespertinus is another one that I like. It looks like she's rather stick a bum up in the air, like she just don't care. Come on, kid. Let's have you in your new enclosure. There you go, you're going the right way. There you go. Look at that. Just for you. Go on in, put your little legs in. Come on, sweetie. In you go. Yeah, you're going in. Going in on your own accord. Come on in. Go on then. Right. Are you going to go in there? Or not? Come on, you little bugger. There you go. So you're almost there. Right. Come on in, move your little tootsies. Come on. There you go. Come on in you go. There you go. See, that wasn't so bad, was he? And look at that nice new home you got. Just for you. Right, let's find the lid and put the lid on. Whatever I've done with it. Oh, it's right underneath the box. But I don't know if you can see her, guys. She's right there at the side. I ain't going to tip this up because the water dish is full and I don't want to flood the place. But just down there she is. There you go, little one. That's you done. And that's it, guys. That's another rehousing done. Another Pamphobeteus rehoused. I still have got others that still need rehousing, but that's for another day. So if you did like that, guys, do give her a thumbs up. Do ding-a-ling the dinger, the bell. You know, just give my ding-a-ling a ding. And then do subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Take care. Oh, and don't forget, I will answer all comments. So if there's anything you want to say, you know, just let me know and I will answer the comments. Right, take care guys, speak to you soon, goodbye.